Okay, we got over here. Okay, welcome back, Portugal, to your Caribou Data Science channel. And welcome back. Hey, thanks for hanging in here, Twitch family. Of course, I've already mentioned the one goal of three consecutive, three concurrent viewers and chatters on the live stream at one time. That's how we get to the affiliate status by the end of by midnight, 2400 hours, if you will, Sunday night, October the 31st. Okay, we can get there. We can get there with we can get there with 52 followers, and we can get there with 17 viewers. It's a very simple thing for us to take this channel, this live stream, to the next level, and that next level is Twitch affiliation. Okay, and that's what I need your help for today. Okay, so where are you at? We're in Portugal. Like I say, Portugal had had three views yesterday on YouTube. Let's just take a look here and see exactly what's going on with Portugal. Okay, so this is a very brief report for Portugal. You can see here that they've passed the 8 million mark for people vaccinated so far. Not necessarily completely vaccinated, but we can look at this here also. Right now, it's about, say, 80% of the population has received the first dose. Now, if we take a look at COVID-19 cases, the blue line's a moving average, 14-day average. You can see you had a very long, steep decline in COVID-19 cases going into the spring, and your numbers stayed low all the way probably over here to about May or June before having this little spike back up here in July. But again, those numbers have already started to decline also. What about that? Well, your deaths are your deaths are just crazy low. There's no other way to describe them. Okay, these numbers here are just crazy low. What about weekly cases? Well, again, you can see this long decline pattern, very, very low case counts during the spring and summer months, followed by a little increase back up here. Uh, and again, here, maybe the second, third week in August or in July, the, the cases begin to decline again on a weekly basis. What about deaths? We can see this long declining pattern in deaths. It gets crazy low weekly COVID-19 deaths all the way over here. There's not a lot we can say about that, is there? And of course, October is going to be the, the third month in a row we saw a decline in COVID-19 cases. But of course, all the way back over here, these numbers are just crazy low. Okay, deaths. What we got here? Well, we could say, well, this is going to be the second month in a row you had a decline in COVID-19 deaths. But look how crazy low your deaths were so far for most of the year. Okay, look how crazy low your deaths were. All right. So anyway, Portugal, that concludes your report for today. Again, a big shout out to the three people on YouTube who watch this video. Also, don't forget to if you're one of the 17 people who watched this Twitch broadcast yesterday, I need your help to reach affiliate status by Sunday evening, October 31st, New York time. Okay, 2400 hours. Uh, Sunday evening, October 31st. We can get there. We can easily pass this last required metric. All it takes from you is to come in and join in the 8 p.m. broadcast this evening. Okay, the 8 p.m. broadcast this evening. All right. Okay. I got I got another thing you can help me with here, Twitch family, and that is that we got social. Okay, we got social. We got notifications. So what I No idea what that's doing there. I have no idea where that's coming from. I'm totally baffled about that one, I must admit. Is that the one person that's watching? That is really weird. I have no idea why those things appear. But you know what you can do? You can leave me a note, a message on Twitch, and let me know what's the best time for me to run these videos, to do these videos with you. Because if I had to change the schedule time for the to reach the to reach our goal of affiliation by Sunday evening, you know what? That's not a problem. I normally don't. If I what time. Uh, I'm going to try one thing tonight. Okay, that's because I went back and I kind of checked as the night went along, and somewhere between 1 and say 2 p.m., I went from like 2 views for the video yesterday up to like 16 views. So does that mean there's more people watching this video during that time frame, 1 to 2 p.m. Time frame? If that's what it takes, that's what I'll do. Yeah, obviously 2 p.m. is probably my limit. But you know what? Hey, if I have to wait to midnight or 1 p.m. to broadcast its stream to get affiliate status, yeah, I'll do that. That's not a problem. Okay. Uh, I have this dream of making $1,000 a month for my Twitch stream. Okay. Now that's a long way to go. I'm not sure what I have to do to make it grow, but that really is my goal. Of course, there isn't any time frame for that. Okay. Aim big. I mean, I once heard uh, the guy who's taunted as the world greatest car salesman. I don't know what his name is now. World greatest car salesman. Okay, and he says you have to work just as hard to make $10,000 in commission as you do as you have to work as you have to work to get $50,000 in commissions. Right, and that's an interesting point. We work just as hard. I work just as hard on this stream here as I do say on YouTube. But the goal here, of course, is affiliate status by Sunday evening, New York time, 2400 hours, New York time, October 31st. Okay, so where are we here? So that takes care of the broadcast for Portugal. Let's just move on to let's just end this